Hello everyone. So last time I told you about how to use or how to insert tables in your PowerPoint presentation. Now today what we are going to see how to insert a pictures. Now most of you might have inserted a picture in a PowerPoint presentation, but with a pictures we can do many things. Okay, so very first thing, for inserting a picture you have to go insert tab. Then in a insert tab you are having a group, that is the images group, and in that you will be having a pictures option. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. Now after inserting a picture, a new tab is introduced or appears, that is known as a format tab. In a format tab we are having many features like remove background, adjust your picture, adjust your picture styles, arrange your pictures, and give a size to your pictures. So this is how a particular format tab is appears over here, that is remove background. Then we can make some corrections, we can use the colors, or we can change colors, we can use artistic effects, as well as we can compress a picture, we can change a picture, or we can reset a picture. Then in a format tab we are having a picture style as a group. In this group we can set a picture in a different styles, okay. And as well as we can, if you don't like these styles, then we can go for individual things like a picture border, which type of border you required, which type of effects you required, and which type of layout you required. And then the next thing is that if suppose you want to arrange your pictures, like bring forward, set backward, send backward, so you have to select a particular pane or a line, or rotate or group a particular thing, or you have to crop a picture, you have to set a height, width, size, and all these things. So now let's see one by one each and everything. So the very first thing for inserting a picture, okay, I'm going directly to a PowerPoint presentation, that is for inserting a picture. Now this is my simple plain empty PowerPoint presentation. Over here I'm having only one single slide. Now I'll go to a insert tab. So just see this is a insert tab. In a insert tab we are having a images group. In this images group we are having a pictures. So select a picture, click on a picture. As soon as you will click on a picture, you will get a dialog box from where you can select your picture. Generally it opens a pictures library dialog box, and you can change your dialog box as per your requirement. Wherever your picture is stored, select your picture and then say insert. Okay, insert. So as soon as we say insert, a picture is inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. Now just see, as soon as you click this picture, a new tab, format tab, is introduced, that is or appears over here. This format tab, just see my cursor, format tab is introduced. Okay, in a format tab the very first thing is a option for a remove background. The remove background, it is used for removing unwanted portions of the pictures. Keep remember this thing, it is used for removing unwanted portion of a picture. Okay, how to remove the things? So let's see, I'm using a remove background. As soon as I click on a remove background, one rectangle appears over here, that how much background or which particular portion I have to remove. Okay, so this is how I have to remove this much of background. So you can see over here in a layout that how it will displayed, and I'll click anywhere, so that particular background is removed. So this is how a remove background is cleared. Remove background, this is used for removing your background and all. I'm doing a Control Z for resetting it, that is okay. So this is the very first thing, that is remove background. Okay, for remove a background, for removing a background. As well as with a remove background you can have a multiple options, like just let's see that a mark areas to remove, you want to remove a mark areas, or mark areas to keep, जो भी आपने एरिया मार्क किया हुआ है वो रखना है कि वो रिमूव करना है, और वो जो रखा है उसको डिलीट करना है, या डिस्कार्ड ऑल चेंजेस और अ कीप चेंजेस. Suppose I want to discard all changes, I'll discard the changes. So this is how the picture is changed. Okay, the next thing is a corrections. If you want to make some corrections, that means this is a correction. In a adjust group, we are having a correction options. As soon as we click on a correction options, you get a different types of corrections options. Sharpen and soften. शार्प करना है कि सॉफ्ट करना है, जस्ट सी दिस. इफ सपोज वी शार्पन इट, कि कितना शार्प करना है आपको या कितना सॉफ्ट करना है आपको, दैट शार्पन एंड सॉफ्टन. एंड देन ब्राइटनेस एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट, कितना ब्राइटनेस, कितना ब्राइट करना है, कितना कॉन्ट्रास्ट करना है. देयर इट इज, जस्ट यू कैन सी द चेंजेस ओवर हियर, दैट ब्राइटनेस एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट. So we can use any of these options for changing the picture. Sharpen and soften, or brightness and contrast. As well as for a picture corrections, we are having this different options also available over here. Click on a picture correction option, and from here you can presets all the things, which type of, how many, how do you soft karna hai, sharp karna hai. You can select a percentage sign over here. Okay, so again, sharpen and soften according to your percentages, you can do the things. That is a customized option. So in a corrections, that is a predefined options are available, as well as a customized options available. The next, a color. In a color option, how you want to make changes in your picture. Like suppose if I want to make change picture like this, or this color I want to give, or this color I want to give, so we can provide a color. As well as we are having a more variations, which colors, transparent colors, as well as a picture color options. So we can choose either a color saturation, color tone, and a recolor. That means we can change the color of a picture as per our requirement. And then next is artistic effects. Artistic effects, that means artist gives some effect on a picture. So like this, just I'm giving you an example. So pencil gray color, that means that picture will appear in a pencil gray color. Let's see, this is how. Okay, मोबाइल में तुम लोग ये सारी चीज़ें करते हो, तो सेम थिंग इज अपीयर ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. आर्टिस्टिक, कि किस टाइप के आर्टिस्टिक या किस टाइप से आप उसको चेंज करना चाहते हैं. जस्ट सी द सम ऑप्शंस ओवर हियर. सो अगेन देयर आर अ प्री-डिफाइंड ऑप्शंस as well as options provided to you but to customize the things. Okay, so this is known as the artistic options. Then we are having a compressed picture. We can compress a picture. पिक्चर को छोटा करना है, ऑल्दो हम डायरेक्टली उसको कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं लाइक दिस, और इफ सपोज यू वांट टू कंप्रेस, you can use a compress picture option. Change picture option. Change picture option is used to change a picture. Again, it will open a new dialog box, and then from where you can select a new picture. And then a reset picture. Whatsoever changes you have made, that will be changed or will be returned to reset picture and size. So it automatically resets your picture and a size, that it gives you a original size of your picture. Okay, so these are the different options available with a adjustment. Now next is a picture style group. In a picture style group, we can set a picture in a different style. We can set a picture in a different style. The very first thing, let me set my picture. Okay, suppose this is a picture. Now I want to set a different style. There are predefined styles are given over here. Suppose I want to set a picture like this, so it will appear like this. I want to set a picture like this, or some tilt. or in this shape, or like this, or like this, or like this. So there are different predefined sets are available for defining your picture or setting your picture. Okay, कि किस तरीके से आपको अपनी पिक्चर सेट करनी है, that you can set your picture as per your requirement. You can see this thing. Okay, so this is how a different format or different level or different predefined sets are available over here for defining a picture. If suppose you are not satisfied with this predefined set, what we can do, we can select or we can customized by using these options: picture border, picture effects and picture layout. We can again define a style of a picture by using a picture border, picture effects and picture layout. Picture border. In a picture border, we can define which type of border you required. Okay, suppose I required a black border, so we can go for a black. So there is a black border of this picture. Now if suppose the picture border, again I want to set some more weightage, that means I required a thick border or a thin border, or which type of border you required, or I required a dashed border. Suppose this is a dash border, this is a round border, square dot, sorry, this is your dash again, then dash and dotted border. So which type of border you required, we can select a border. That means we can select a style for a border and a color for a border by using a picture border option. Then picture effect. So picture effect, again we are having a preset effects. These are a preset effects, which type of picture you required. These are a preset effects, as well as we are having a 3D options also. We can set a pictures for a 3D options also. In a 3D options, we can define which color or surface or material you required, or lightning, which type of 3D object you required. We can choose that particular 3D object and then we can set a picture accordingly. Special effects, we can provide a special effects over here, and then we can set a picture as per our requirement. So 3D effects, 3D rotations. How do you want to rotate the picture? Like this, like this, or like this, or like this. So we can rotate a picture as per our requirement. So rotations and a B level, how to emboss your picture. Then edges, how you want to define your edges of a picture, soft or not. Then glow, the glow of your borders, we can provide a glow. Reflections, whether you require a reflections for your picture, just you can see the reflections. In the downside we are having a reflections of a picture. So shadows, which type of shadows you required, just see this, if it is visible, whether you required an inner shadow or an outer shadow or something like this, some perspectives and so on. So this is how what we can do, we can define the effects of a picture. And then a picture layout, how you want to give a layout of a picture. That means if suppose you want to write down some text with the picture, then how to set a layout for that particular picture. There are different layouts available, just see this. So this layout will inform you that how you can give a picture as well as a text also. Just see this, the picture and a text, picture and a text. This is how picture and a text. Suppose this is a picture and a text. I want to write my home, HOME, my home. So it will appear like this. So this is how what we can do, we can set a picture. Okay, and as soon as I've selected this smart tool, so again one new format, a design format, is a design tab is also introduced over here. Which type of design? Again I can select the different types of designs available over here. There are more layouts available over here. Okay, so and then a format, which type of format you required. We can select a format for a text, and we can format different things. So we can format a text as per our requirement again. That means what we can do, we can customize a picture or a slide in which we are having a picture as per our requirement. Clear this thing? So this is how what we can do, we can format our picture. Now picture border, picture effects and picture layout. Then this is the bring forward, send backward, okay, align, group and rotate. These are a normal options, as you know that we can do all these things, or you might did all already. You might know these things about how to bring forward, send backward. What is the meaning of bring forward and send backward? If suppose I am having two pictures, I'm inserting one more picture over here. Insert picture, suppose there it is, insert. Now I'm having two pictures. One picture is in a back side and one picture in a front side. If suppose I want to change this picture, this one, so if I say right now this is in a front portion, a forward portion, I want to send it to a backward, so I'll say send backward. So this picture will be sent to a backward. Backward means पीछे की तरफ, forward means आगे की तरफ. Clear? And then if suppose I select more than one object at a time, then we can use a group options, or a group options is generally used for grouping more than one objects. Then again next thing, if suppose control Z, now this is a grouped, okay, one picture is removed. Now there it is, another option, format, rotate. Again if you want to rotate a picture, as you know that it's rotate right, left, where you have to rotate, flip vertical, flip horizontal. So we can rotate a picture, as well as we can customize this rotation also. And then a crop a picture. All of you know that how to crop means removing a particular portion from a pictures. And then we can set height and width of a picture. So with a picture we can remove a backgrounds, or we can change the backgrounds of a picture. The first thing, we can remove unwanted area. Remove background means we can remove a unwanted area from a picture. Then we can make corrections in a picture. Corrections, that means that we can give a brightness, or we can remove a brightness, or we can provide a contrast, or remove a contrast, or sharpen or soften the edges and pictures. That is a correction portion. And then we can set a different color schemes for a picture also. And next we can provide artistic effects on a picture, artistic effects, okay. And then we can provide us different picture styles, that how picture should be appear on a slide. And if suppose we are not satisfied with a provided preset, that means already जो options available है, if we are not satisfied with these options, then we can customize these options by using a picture border, picture effects and picture layout, okay. And then we can group, we can align all these pictures, and we can rotate all these pictures by using a arrange option. And size option is used to give a sizes for a pictures. Is this clear? So this is how we can insert a picture and we can format a picture in a PowerPoint presentation, okay. Please remember these things and use it and try it out. Okay then, thank you and have a nice day.